Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you again so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I am back from Vegas and I have tons of filming to do, but I was super excited to make this video first. If you noticed, while I was gone, we hit 1,500 subscribers, you guys. I cannot believe it. So thank you to each and every one of you. I do truly love all of you guys and appreciate your support more than you will ever know. So I am super excited. We are going to go over the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Yay! So I did in one of my live videos show everything that was going to be in the giveaway, but I wanted to kind of do a video strictly just for that to remind you guys. So I'm going to show you everything for that in just a moment. What I want to do first, again, is say thank you so much to each and every one of you for subscribing and helping our channel grow. I also am going to go over the rules to be qualified to enter the giveaway. And obviously you have to be subscribed. Like this video, I will put a link down below for Gleam. That is how I will run the contest. And today is February 15th. I am going to run this contest through March 10th. Because I want to give enough time for everyone to see the video and get a chance to enter. So from February 15th today, when the video goes up, to March 10th. And then a few days after March 10th, I will announce the winner. So again, this is for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway, and I cannot thank you guys enough. I also want to say that I am actually going to, hopefully today, it may not be today, so don't hold me to this, but I will post to my community tab. I'm also going to do a couple of giveaways live. I'm going to do some, not my normal Monday night live stream, just go live, do some giveaways to give back to you guys, because again, without you all, this channel would not be what it is. So thank you so much, and I just want to be able to give back a little bit more. So be on the lookout for that. Probably gonna do, I'm tinkering with either 5 days or 10 days. So we're either going to have 5 days of giveaways or 10. So be on the lookout for that, and those live streams will pop up. So make sure when you subscribe, you hit that notification bell so you get the notification when I go live. So let's get to the prize for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. The first item is a set of wine glasses here. These are like the white wine glass. So there's 2 of these. They are super nice. I have a set. I love them. And then we have here this brand new Coach purse. And you guys, I think it is super cute. It is so cute for spring and summer coming up. So again, this is a brand new Coach purse. And I'm going to show you guys all of the goodies inside that also go with the giveaway. So the first item, I'm trying to sit it here so I can show you guys. We have this rose hip and clay facial mask here. And then we have a candle. It says dream without fear, love without limits. And this, I forget what this smells like. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. It's like a lavender, so it's going to be a very relaxing candle. So we have that. We have a set of these charcoal under eye masks. And this is from Marajo, I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. It's a 3-in-1 finishing spray for volume control and hold. Here we have a Kat Von D blush. This is the two-tone blush, and it is Mickey and Mallory are the colors. So it is very pretty. Here we have from Busy Beauty, it's a dry shampoo. It says waterless shampoo, but dry shampoo. We have here this super adorable pair of fuzzy, warm, cozy socks. They do have little kittens on them, so they are so cute. So there are those. We have this beautiful bracelet here. I thought this was really, really pretty. It says believe on it, if you can see that there. And it says, she believed she could, so she did. And I love that quote. So I think that is super cute, and I was excited to have that to add. And here we have this cute little bar necklace. It has a little heart on it. It says start each day with a grateful heart. So there is that. And then we have this adjustable cute little ring that will go with it. Here from Prep Your Skin, we have a vanilla mint hand lotion. This is from Mask Bar, and it is a silver foil peel off mask. Here, I haven't taken it out of the plastic, but it is like a little beanie with a cute little fuzzy top. So there is that included as well. Also from the Prep Your Skin, we have the Vanilla Mint Body Scrub and the Oatmeal Honey Body Scrub. Here we have this is from Dirty Mermaid Beauty, a citrus sea soak with Dead Sea salt and organic seaweed. So quite a few things in here to pamper yourself with. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Treatment, leave-in spray. Here I've included a little pad with the little suction cups on the back to clean your makeup brushes. This is another silver foil peel off mask from Mask Bar. It's just in a different packaging. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. This is from Ilamasqua. It's a coloring pencil. It's a eyeliner. The color is Honor. Right there. Sorry, for some reason I seem to be shaking a little bit. And here we have from Lauren B. Beauty Beverly Hills. This is a nail polish in the color Vintage on Vine. Thought that was a really, really pretty color. From Michelle, this is an exfoliator and mask, Incredible Pumpkin Peel. It is to purify and re-texturize. Here from Sourmay, we have the Tasty Tubes Sheer Shiny Lip Gloss. It is in Punch. Here we have from Seraphine Botanicals. It says Crystalline Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles. This is, I'm trying to see if it tells me the color. All right, let's take it out of the box. This is a loose eyeshadow pigment in Smoky Quartz. So it's actually like a really pretty copperish color. So there is that. And then we have from Bella Pierre a lipstick. It's a really pretty nude color. So that will be in there as well. And then the final item is this Scone Brow Wand Eyebrow Pencil in chocolate. So those are the items that will be in the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Let me know in the comments, if you think this is a good giveaway. I think it's pretty decent. Like I said, just wanted to give back to you guys because, again, without y'all, the channel wouldn't be what it is. And I never in a million years, 7 months ago or so, 8 months ago when I started this channel, expected anyone to watch my videos, let alone 1,500 people. So I am super excited for that and ever so grateful. But like I said, the rules for the giveaway: you have to be subscribed, you have to like the video, and I will put a link down below for Gleam where you can enter. And what I am going to do for the first time with Gleam is also give you a ways to get extra entries into the giveaway. So check that out with the Gleam link as well to get more entries to be entered. Yeah. Can you guys tell this is my first video since Vegas? I'm like, blah, 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 blah. Sorry. So that is the giveaway. So again, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you all are looking forward to this giveaway, and I cannot wait until March 10th when one of you lucky people win this giveaway. I'm stumbling all through this, you guys. I'm so sorry. So again, this video is going up today, February 15th. The giveaway will start today and end March 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So around the 11th, 12th or so of March, I will announce the winner. And like I said, be on the lookout. If you have not, make sure you hit that notification bell because I will be doing some live videos, 5 to 10 of them for giveaways here in the next few days. So I hope you enjoyed, and again, make sure you are subscribed and like this video and enter. I will talk with you all soon. Bye.